or bullshit? Tis the question. What's up, my fellow crypto lifestylers? How is everybody doing today? This doesn't look good, but it feels good to make profits, to see the price go down when you're on the right side of things. What? Who's that? Oh, top cryptocurrency signals, eh? This is where everybody on YouTube starts screaming bull run, where you can make money. Again, protect your capital. Hodling is something of the past, man. You gotta stay active. That is still a loss of 37% in Bitcoin. So how the hell are we in a bull market right now? Buy NEM right now. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Buy NEM. Now I'm just looking at Bitcoin's price. If we look in the top left-hand corner there of the screen, oh my God! I wanna just like take my hand and slap somebody over here. You know what I mean? Hey, do you see me? Buy NEM. Obviously, I'm a long-term believer in crypto. I'm super bullish on it long-term and Bitcoin. Oh, there's two of me. Look at that. That's much better. That's the beauty of live. I guess you get the real deal, right? This company called Top Cryptocurrency Signals has been up over 300%. It says Bitcoin USDT 3,364 bucks, or give or take. Bull run or bullshit, Mark? What are you saying, brother? No, I'm not stranded. I'm not stranded. This is my island I bought with cryptocurrencies. Whoa. Back up for a second. I'm just living the crypto lifestyle, baby. Don't you see my shirt? Whoa. TCL, keep your hands to yourself, broski. None of that Don't let the markets frustrate you that bad. However, I think it's about that time again. Yeah, it's about time we invite Marc from TopCryptocurrencySignals.com back onto the channel for a weekly appearance. Why not? I mean, their signal service has been up over 28% every month for the past few months, and Bitcoin is surging, crossing that 12K mark. Get it? 12K mark, and we invite Marc. So make sure you join us live this Thursday at 1 p.m. New York Eastern Standard Time. You know why? Because not only are we going to be dropping some knowledge, analyzing the markets, and providing you with some value, but for every single live viewer, we have a very special giveaway for you. What will it be this time? Will I be giving away some Ethereum again? Since we are going through some harsh times right now, I want to give away some money, okay? I'm going to give away 1 Ethereum to somebody. Or will it be BTC? What exactly will we be giving away to the fellow crypto lifestylers? Well, guess what? Your ass better be there live to find out. And trust me, man, you really don't want to miss this giveaway. So until then, you're on your own. Later. Now I'll shut up now. Your money working for you, or you working for money? Welcome to the Crypto Lifestyle, the lifestyle where your money works for you instead of you working for that money. And in today's live stream, we will be joined with pro trader Marc from TCCS Academy, formerly known as TopCryptocurrencySignals.com. We first introduced Marc and TCCS all the way back in May of 2018, and I have been using their signals ever since. And I must say, my fellow crypto lifestylers, their results are truly staggering, in a good way, that is. By the way, don't forget about our giveaway, in which we will be giving to all of our viewers from this very live stream. Marc will announce the giveaway during the course of the interview, so if you really want some for free, then you will have to stay tuned, keep it locked, keep it loaded right here to this interview as it progresses. And believe you me, man, it is well worth the wait. Well, Marky Marc, what's going on there, buddy, old pal? It's been quite a while since I seen you on the program. I don't know what happened to you. I think you got a little camera shy or something. What's going on there, pal?
I'm doing great, man. Thanks for asking. We were busy a lot, doing a lot of changes to our platform and upgrading it. So now we're excited to talk about where we're heading with our platform and stuff. So, yeah.
Right on. I know, man. I know. Your ass is too busy watching graphs all damn day and night, all that boring shite. But you know what, man? That's why I love signals, is because I don't gotta watch graphs all damn day long. Watch screens. I'll let you guys do that. Send me the signals, and I'll take it from there. Saves me a lot of time. But anyways, Mark. So let's first talk about the markets, man. You know, I mean, dude, like we were literally at I think 3,800 one day, like the other day, and over a period of time, it seems it was like about a couple of weeks or so. We shot up to like 14K, kind of retraced itself back down to around 12K. So a lot of people, including myself, and everybody has their own opinion, but what's the cause of this BTC pump? A lot of people say it's Facebook, and then some other people just say, you know what, it's just the recovery of Bitcoin from the brutal bear market. So I don't know, what's your take on that, man?
So there's a lot of things that happened since the Bitcoin at 3,800. A lot of fundamental around Bitcoin is really positive. Facebook is launching Libra. Then we have back that this is a financial product that's bring a lot of hype around Bitcoin. And of course, the chart were becoming more and more bullish, because after a retrace of more than 70% of Bitcoin, usually it has to come back up. So we put ourselves into Bitcoin, and we did great for the past months for sure. We average around 17% to 20%, depending on which month, and we did good. We did good. We're happy of where we're heading.
No, totally. But going back to the whole Bitcoin surge, bro, it's like I told people I'm not really interested, and obviously trading is all around the year. You could trade whether it's bear market or bull market. But for me personally, you know, like everybody knows this. I'm not trying to be someone that I'm not. That's why I use your services. I mean, trading is, everybody has their area of expertise, and a lot of I don't know, I want to say it anyways, but a lot of other channels out there, they like to pretend to be something that they're not, and that's just not my style, and I'm not going to start that today. So that's why I use you guys. So I always said, once Bitcoin passes that 10K mark, yo, I'm back into trading full-fledged, like, you know, like fully. So yeah, definitely we're stabilized at 12K, so trading season is back, even just for like, obviously you're full-time, so you do it regardless, but for those who are more of like the novice traders or the casual traders, they're like, oh, Bitcoin is back at 10K. BitMEX, you know, their volume is pumping more now. Everybody wants to trade. A buddy of mine who did a referral on BitMEX when it now came out, he's like, yeah, well, my referrals are starting to trade right now, so this is the bull market. So everybody goes by different indicators, if that's what you want to call an indicator is, when your referrals start trading on BitMEX, you know, but everybody has their little way of doing it, I guess, but...
Yep, you're right.
I don't know. Let's just say hello, Mark, to everybody here. Who do we got? We got 24 people watching so far. Thank you for each and every one of you, whichever part of the world you're from. We always do appreciate you for joining the live stream. We have Sebastian De Jong from Holland in the house. What's up, puppy love? We got Jane Hutchinson also. HF Barriman. We got Rocky, my man. We got David Morales, always representing the TCL family. And by the way, guys, so... keep in mind, so first we're going to talk about the markets, some technical analysis. Everybody wants to know about Bitcoin, a little bit about Facebook coin. We're also going to touch upon Binance leverage trading, which was just announced this morning. We'll just briefly touch up on that. And then we're going to break our way down to altcoins. When is that going to boom? And then we're going to talk about the giveaway. All right, guys? So you got to stay tuned for that. All right? So I do appreciate everybody once again. We got Mary Mitchell saying, what's up? Sergio, Emmanuel Sanchez. Everybody's watching us. All right, guys. So let's go on with the next one there, Mark. So me personally, I think it's a little bit both. I think it's, you know, at some point the markets has to recover, but I'm leaning towards more of the Facebook coin side of why, you know, I see that a lot of people like to go with one thing, either TA or FA, which is technical analysis or fundamental analysis. But you guys mix in a little bit of both, right? Could you just, if you want to just talk a bit about that?
To be a successful trader, you have to understand the fundamental behind each project and where they are and what is going on in the ecosystem around it. And then on the side of the TA, if let's say for an example, if the trend line didn't broke when the fundamental news happened, you have to be careful because usually they will retrace if the news didn't go through the trend lines. It's just an example of how to manage the fundamental side and the TA side.
Right, right. I actually just want to bring up something here really quick. I believe it's where are we here? The price of Bitcoin. I think I got a little something here. Yeah, Binance. So $11,667. We're down about 4.63%. I think like a little bit earlier this morning, Mark, it was about 7%. And lo and behold, I think about 5 a.m. They come out with this announcement saying that how I think it's Congress or SEC or whoever the hell it is, one of those alphabetical agencies there. They're telling Facebook to put their coin on halts, but we started to see Bitcoin kind of like, I'm not going to say tanking, but retracing, dipping, whatever you want to call it, about 4 hours before the announcement. So again, manipulation always rules, right? We've seen this, Mark, with backed announcements. We've seen this with like future CME announcements, hyping it up, then break it. All they do is hype it up to break it back down. You know what I mean? So they hype it up, price goes up, everybody FOMOs in, and then boom, announcement comes out, and then it goes back down, right? But this one is a little bit more dangerous just because, like the saying goes, if you heard the news when it was announced, chances are it's too late. Let's look at Facebook. They relayed that message out at 5 a.m., 4 a.m., whatever, but the market started to go down like around, I don't know, you guys should know, 10 p.m., 11 p.m. So somebody had inside information once again, right? Obviously, markets are manipulated, but I don't know, technical analysis does go a long way as well too, right?
Yeah, I'm not a big believer in manipulation, but sometimes it gets sketchy. I will admit.
For sure.
Some people always have information before the others. So
Hey, you know why? Because you guys are like scientists. Scientists don't believe in God. They believe in scientifical analysis and data, just like you guys.
yeah,
And that's cool. I respect that too, I'm not going to lie. Trading is not my strength. And yeah, it's just not for me. But your signal service is definitely for me. Because they'll be making some nice gains. Okay, so let's talk about Bitcoin dominance, bro. It's crazy. Do you want me to bring up that graph first, Mark, before we get to
sure.
that? Okay,
Yeah,
and maybe you could... yeah, and analyze this for the people that are watching right here.
So right now this is the Bitcoin chart, right? So you can see the uptrend for Bitcoin for year and year, and you can see the green line. This is our support, right? It's been our trend line for years. It has respected that trend line for a lot of time. So as long as we're above this, we remain bullish on the long term for Bitcoin. And on the top line, it's kind of a resistance kind of, right? So every time that we touch this, it gives us an advice that we have to sell kind of, right? Keep in mind too that the direction that we're going with the Academy is mostly to teach people, right? Before we were more of a signal platform, but we're really heading into teaching people of how to make their own decision and try to help them out there with all those graphs, because I don't think it's responsible to own crypto without knowing how to how to trade and how to really make your own mind on it, right?
Yeah. So that was a yearly chart, right? That was all the different years, 2013 up until now.
That's it. It was your yearly chart, and you can see the year in the bottom, and on the right side you can see the price.
Okay, I'm just communicating, Mark. Once again, I always tell my guests this. I feel like you're not a guest anymore. You're just like almost a regular. Although you haven't been on in a while, but you know what I mean. But I like to tell the guests that how if you see me like this or like that, I'm just engaging with the viewers, right? Because we are broadcasting live. So let me just say what's up to them. Just saying hello, guys. By the way, anybody who has any questions, you can drop that in the live chat box, and I shall relay that to Mark for him to answer for you. Okay, Mark, so let's get on with the next one. So that's pretty much Bitcoin dominance. I think this is like, we talk about all-time high for coins. This has to be the all-time high for Bitcoin dominance. It just, at least in my experience with Bitcoin, with cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, I think we're sitting at about, what, 65%, is it?
Yeah, you can bring up the graph, Francis.
Here's one right here. Bitcoin right there, right? The dominance. 60. Yeah, I'll bring up that graph as well, the Bitcoin dominance graph, guys. I just want to show them. So a lot of people ask me, how do you measure Bitcoin dominance? Like, I don't have a personal tool, but it's right there on coinmarketcap.com, right at the top center right. You'll see it, guys, for anybody who wants to look at that. That's important, you know, if you're looking to see, well, Marc will explain this in more detail. I'll leave that up to Marc.
Yeah, you can have too the chart on TradingView, right?
Yeah,
So on
okay.
TradingView, you'll be able to see the
You're
dominance on
talking,
the chart.
this is the chart here, right? Yeah,
Just
Bitcoin,
a sec.
I'm pretty sure this
Yeah,
is the one. Yeah, this is the
yeah.
one.
Okay, yeah. So that's the dominance. So on the right side, you guys see the percentage of the total market cap that shows the dominance of Bitcoin. And in the bottom, you'll be able to see the months and stuff like that. So on the graph itself, the white line right now, this is a resistance. So right now we are above that resistance. So so usually when you see Bitcoin having a strong dominance like that, altcoins are getting a little bit wrecked on the side of this Satoshi pairing, so the BTC pairing. So right now we are above the line, and my personal opinion is we're gonna still we have still fuel to go up on this one. So so yeah.
Okay,
So
so
as
you're
long as we stay above that resistance line, we will be bullish for Bitcoin kind of.
so Bitcoin. So okay, so Bitcoin. You guys see the dominance of Bitcoin increasing in the short term.
Yeah, yeah. We could test the resistance for sure. You have to remember that in trading, our opinion can change quickly, just
For sure.
depending on the
What
graph,
data?
how it
Yeah,
unfold.
for sure.
And in the trading industry, you're always putting your odds in your favor. So you're always trying to beat. You're kind of a casino, right? Every time that you put your odds in your favor, and at the end, you will make it's gonna return in your pocket, kind of. So this is the big line for it. Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. You know, I see that, but like, you know, it's almost kind of like, I don't know how to put it though, man. Like, just to see it that's so ridiculously high. Again, people talk about Facebook coin, right? Have an effect on just Bitcoin, but that should have an effect on the overall markets instead of just, you know, Bitcoin dominance being so
Usually
yeah.
when we look at the altcoin kind of thing, they are pretty stable on the USD price. I know they got wrecked yesterday for sure on the USD price,
Yeah.
but usually what's going on with Bitcoin, it just show that Bitcoin is it's on its own. So that's why as long as the chart for the let's say if we talk about Ethereum, the chart on the pairing side with the USD, as long as it stay in the uptrend triangle, I'm really confident that the coin won't lose a lot of value. Let's say it that way. But it does lose value compared to the Bitcoin because the Bitcoin is going mental, right? So,
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, fair enough. Now, there's another question that a lot of people have been asking, man, and it's pretty much to
Yeah.
do with Ethereum, right? A lot of people have this take that, you know, Bitcoin's going to moon, then Ethereum is next. Oh, the key price for Ethereum is going to be $320, $350. Oh, once it crosses 350, we're going to moon. It's going to go up to like, you know, $600, all of that. So I don't know if you could just, what's your professional take on that?
So on the pairing, so let's say if we talk about the USD price of Ethereum, we think it's gonna go up still, okay, in the medium term. On the short term, it could go down a little bit, but there is some rumor about Ethereum futures that are out there, and Ethereum on the long term, it's gonna be exciting for them because if I'm correct, let me just take my note here. Um, so we're gonna be able to stake Ethereum at one point, right? They're gonna change the mining system,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
you'll be
yeah,
able to
yeah.
take your Ethereum. I think it's 36 Ethereum. I'm not sure, Francis, if that is.
Yeah.
So But when you're gonna stake your Ethereum, you will receive reward, and you will contribute to the blockchain of Ethereum, kind of
Yeah,
thing.
I feel like Ethereum's always talking about doing something, and like it's always just talking about doing something, like Plasma,
Yeah,
Casper.
it
No,
takes time.
I know. Something like Plasma,
But,
all those side chains, and expediting transactions and all that. That's something obviously complex, right? But
yeah,
yeah,
when is the big challenge for those projects like this? It's they have a blockchain that is running, so updating while it's running, it takes a lot. You need, first of all, kind of a consensus with the miners to change all the rule, right? So
right.
it takes time, and it takes a lot.
Yeah, yeah, no, totally, totally. I think someone here has a question. Let me just see
Sure.
what they are asking. Okay, so where was I? We got Canik says, yo, Mary Mitchell says Ethereum will go up if Bitcoin go up too. Well, that's true,
On the
but
USD,
I don't know if you want to touch up on that there, Mark. Mary said that, but I mean, like we could say, she says that how Ethereum will follow suit if Bitcoin goes up. But that is true, I guess, but I mean, not at the same rate, at least what we saw in the past 2-3 weeks, right? Ethereum was
no,
going up, but
it
yeah.
it depends. It will go up on the USD price, but it will go down on the Satoshi price, depending of
Yes.
how Bitcoin is performing. So it all depends of what's your goal in trading, right? If your goal is to accumulate USD, well, you have to look at chart for USD and make your own plan around this. If your goal is to accumulate Satoshi, it means by Bitcoin. Well, you have to put your eggs in a way that you're increasing your BTC. So there's two different mentality, and in the academy, we're gonna help you out to figure out what's the best plan for you, kind of thing. To make
Yeah.
your You need a strategy to build to be able to trade, right? That strategy is gonna be your first question mark on each decision that you will make after that.
Yeah, we're going to actually dive into that a couple questions later down the road there, Mark. But a long-time subscriber and friend, Puppy Love, he asks, Bitcoin 3x. I guess he's referring to from 4K, right? Which it did. Where are we? Sorry, I lost the question. Shoot. Oh, yeah. So Bitcoin 3x. How comes ETH never even 2x? And that's a very, very good question there, Puppy Love. You know, a lot of people
Um,
think, okay, so Mark, you described this. I guess you could do this better. But when people hear, oh, a
yeah,
Bitcoin. Well, no, but let me just what I want you to explain. When a lot of people think the bull run is here, they're like, "Oh, bull run is here. Bitcoin is going up." But the real bull run is when the overall markets is going up, and that's why we reflect back to Bitcoin's dominance to kind of like have that variance, right?
yeah. You can look too at the total market cap chart if you
Oh yeah,
have
yeah, I
it.
got that here. I actually have the
You
Ethereum
can,
chart as well, Mark. I don't know if
yeah, you can
bring that
put
one up
them on.
first.
Maybe, what you can put the total market cap
Okay,
first if you guys
I'll
want
put.
to see.
Yeah, okay, this is the total market cap, and I should probably
Yeah.
zoom in a little bit here because it might be kind of small for them. So let me see if I could zoom in.
So I just want to explain, right? The purple line, it's the long time trend line. So the chart itself, what you guys are seeing right now, it's the total market cap, where it went from at the all-time high to where we are today, from the bear market now to the bull market itself. You can see that we are clearly in an uptrend for the total market cap, which is awesome. But when we look at the BTC dominance chart, we can understand that it's mostly Bitcoin that get all the fuel. It can easily be explained with all the hype around Bitcoin and all the fundamental stuff around Bitcoin. If we talk about back and if we talk about the stored value for Bitcoin, and everybody's betting that the Bitcoin will be the next stored value. So it's an exciting time for Bitcoin right now. Now, for on the side of the Ethereum side that you wanted me to compare, Ethereum, it's an exciting project. There's a lot of news coming in, but they have to deliver those things. And
This is the
it's
Ethereum chart.
yeah, so this is the Ethereum chart on the USD pairing. So you can clearly see that on the USD, it's going to go up for sure. If I didn't send you a chart of Ethereum on the Satoshi side, but on the BTC chart pairing, so the comparison between BTC and Ethereum, Ethereum is getting wrecked on that one.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
we will see it grow at Bitcoin grow, for sure, on the USD side for now.
Okay, we have another question here from Sebastian De Jong. He goes by the name of Basie on Telegram. What's up, Sebastian? So Basie asked, also known as Sebastian De Jong, what price can ETH reach? Oh yeah, what price can ETH reach this year? He's been messaging me, telling me that ETH is going to moon, bro. I shifted over to Ethereum, so I know he really wants to know the answer to this, Mark.
Um, right now, I would put more eggs into, like, first of all, I cannot give you financial advice, but I'll
Yeah,
give you my thought on it.
yeah.
All right. And my thought on it, it's I would put more eggs into Bitcoin, and I will gradually put money back in Ethereum. But I don't think it's gonna spike crazy for a while. I think like the big alt season, in our opinion, could happen a year from now. The real alt
Yeah,
season,
yeah. No, I agree with that totally. 2020 is what
the
I was
real
saying
one.
as well. Okay, so we
Yeah.
got one more question here, and then we get back to my list of questions. So Bitcoin Ball, hey, what's up, man? Ferguson, you changed your name, eh? What's up, dude? He asks, yeah, ETH was like $800, but this time around, not following suit. He also says may have something to do with all the ICOs selling off of the ETH. Oh, you mean the ICOs from 2017? Maybe. Yeah, I know EOS, right? Mark, EOS had a
Yeah.
shit ton of ETH, bro. They had a
Yeah,
shit ton.
they sold their Ethereum back then. They probably have a couple of Ethereum, but
I think that's when
most
Ethereum
of the,
went below Ripple's market cap, right? Maybe that has something to do with EOS, man, dumping. I don't know.
yeah, well, I would have to look at
Yeah, yeah,
the
yeah.
past charts and stuff like that.
That's just me
But
talking
yeah.
shit right now. That's just me talking shit. All right. Okay, guys. So let's go back to my questions. And hey, by the way, those who just left, I think we lost about 2 people in and out. I know some of you are probably at work sneaking on your phone watching us live because you want some of that giveaway and you had to go because your boss came back. But you need to watch this, man, if you want some free-ish. Everybody loves free-ish, especially when it's in crypto, right? So you gotta stay tuned for that. Okay, Mark, so moving on to the next question. This is also a similar question like Ethereum. I think Puppy Love also wanted to know this, myself including, and probably quite the majority of people who are watching this live stream right now, and even those who will be watching the replay. Alt season, bro. When in the Telegram chats they say when Lambo, when Moon, when alt season.
So, in our opinion, we think that we're far from the real alt season. Definitively, Bitcoin, if it reach its all-time high, we will start to see some action for the alt season for sure. But
Wait.
right now,
What do you mean all time high? What's that? When Bitcoin reaches all
the
time high?
all-time high for Bitcoin. So right now, the price of Bitcoin is at 12, 13K to
Yeah,
12K, I think,
Yeah, give
around
me.
12K.
Yeah.
So the all-time high for Bitcoin was around 20K, if I'm correct. As soon as we're going to go over this for Bitcoin, we will start to see some action for the altcoin. But the alt season, like if we look at the graph, I think we're far from it. Well, not far. It depends on how you're seeing it, but we think it's a year from now
I would
for
say
that.
my little novice trading 2 cents here. But this is the thing,
Mhm.
right? So when it comes to graphs and stuff, as I mentioned, that's not I don't really fuck with that shit. But the fundamental side is I'm all about that, right? That's why I use you guys, right? You guys do that the best that I know. I've come across 3 other signal service that were just shite. So what I could say is, yeah, I like to use fundamental analysis more than T analysis. So 65% dominance, that's not going to shrink to 50% or even 47% overnight. That's going to gradually go down, right? So alt season may
Yeah,
not be like you said, like in 2020. Right, so this might be
good.
for a nice run for Bitcoin, but based off of that dominance, that's a clear indication that we are nowhere near to alt season, in my humbled opinion. Am I right or wrong? I don't know.
Yeah, you're right. And
I mean,
I
I
think
sound right. I sound right, but I don't know. Am I?
um, you have to keep in mind too that Bitcoin, it's the coin that everybody knows. So for everybody that knows just a little bit about crypto, they know about Bitcoin. So if they're gonna buy one coin, it's gonna be Bitcoin first, and then after a while they'll be more comfortable put their eggs in different projects. So with Libra and the back and stuff like that, all the excitement, it's only for Bitcoin for now. So probably some project will be able to rise during this, but the main attention, the main flux will go for Bitcoin.
Right.
In
I'm
my
just gonna
opinion.
I'm just gonna switch the angle on me since we're talking about altcoins. And how many people we got here? We got 26 people watching us live right now, and we will have more viewers once the replay is published to YouTube. Within half an hour after we're done here. But for everybody who's watching this live stream right here, right now, let me know if you fall into this category. And I'm gonna bring up a funny ass meme. All right, guys, check this out. It has to do with altcoins. Check it. When your friends congratulate you on the Bitcoin price, but you're balls deep in alts.
Yeah.
Dude, why that's funny, and I shouldn't laugh because, I just shouldn't laugh because some people are in that situation. But I shifted over to BTC. Had those people been following TCCS Academy, they would know what's up like I did, right? And like, I'm a busy guy. I just have a newborn baby, okay? I'm moving. I got to create content. I'm looking at the markets. I'm communicating with CEOs. I don't got time to sit down and watch graphs. I just don't. So that's why for me personally, it makes all the sense in the world, and I know a lot of other people have been asking me, like Marco. Where you at, Marco? Big shout out to Marco in my Telegram chat, been asking me for a signal service. Here it is, Marco. This live stream's for you, pal. So yeah, let's talk about that, Marc. Pretty much, what do you think is going to happen there with this whole, a lot of people have been in this situation, right? A lot of people didn't shift over to BTC, but let's talk about your signal service, the academy, the courses, the free content, all of those things. Let's dive right into that.
So on the way that we are heading right now, it's not going to be called signals. So you have to understand that it's going to be forecasts. So those forecasts, it shows we're showing people how we make what's our move, what's our thought in the purpose of an education. So you have to understand that nothing on our platform are kind of a financial advice. They are meant they're meant for education. This is our goal with the new rebranding into the TCCSacademy.com. So everything is meant for education. So if you want to go on our website and show the package just a little bit, I'll be able to explain this.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. What's that? You said to go to the package? I was just looking at the live chat. Did you say to go to the package,
yeah.
Mike?
Yeah, if you want to.
Okay, I would have to pop that up here on the fly. So give me 1 second. We could continue talking about something here. Let me just look at the chat here. I know people are asking some questions here. Ask about Waves coin price, please. See, the thing is, it's like, I don't know, Marc. You don't got that chart in front of you. Waves. So what we would do is this, guys. So Marc will be coming on. We're aiming for weekly, every Thursday ideally, and later on in the week, so we could get, normally at the end of the week is when you get a lot of data, and the end of the week has more news to talk about, TA and also FA. So what we would do is, if you guys would like, we could have a week dedicated to a certain couple coins. But right now on the fly, it's not really ideal. They're a win, but I do appreciate you asking that question. So Marc, yeah, in regards to the packages, I could actually go from it on my side here. Are you talking about which package exactly? The courses, the free content?
Yeah, well, you can go over all the stuff, and I'll be able to talk about what's
okay.
And
how about
just to make sure that the guys understand that the people that are guests, right? It's a pre-launch right now, so you guys have an early access to everything with the giveaway. So right now we have the
whoa. Are you leaking out information already? I'm joking. Chill. That's coming up next. But listen, Marc. So let's talk about this here. So the courses, explain that. I'm just going to pause it right here. And this is not me on the website. Yeah, this is a video.
So the courses itself, it starts from like on a level of a beginner. So let's say that someone that doesn't know about crypto, doesn't know how to open a wallet, doesn't know how to trade on a crypto exchange. On our website, we're explaining everything. So you guys can, if you have a mother, an uncle that it's interested, and you don't have time to explain them all the fundamental about the cryptocurrency, most of it right now is going to be in our courses, and most of our courses are free right now. Actually, it's 100% free for the courses itself. We might add some courses down the way, paid, but we're not there yet. So most of the content on the website is free. So
Okay.
so you have the side of the free channel. On the free channel, we give important news. We give how's it called? We give some not signals, some forecasts sometimes,
All right.
so people can see how a trade is doing and stuff like that. And then you have the silver member, the silver package itself. It's multiple forecasts daily, mostly daily, I would say, and it gives you opportunity. So we use the only technical analysis for those, and it gives you a thought on how to enter a trade, put your targets and stuff like that. So this is the silver package. The silver package is it's less than $1. I don't want to go there in the pricing and stuff for now, but
Okay.
yeah, the next one, you have the chance to have one-on-one with me or one of the trader in our team. So we offer that. We can either help you out with opening a crypto wallet or open up a Binance account. Everything is on the website for this. And then we have the premium package where you can we give it's more like a forecasting, but with it's kind of a hedge fund strategy that we try to learn to people, kind of. So it's more it goes on the long term. So for people that have a big wallet, will be really happy to use that service.
Yeah, no, I like it because it's kind of like, you know what's going to happen, right? We've seen this in 2017. What's going to happen? When Bitcoin, like, look at it. It's at 12K right now. When Bitcoin gets back up to, say, 18K, 20K, what's going to happen? Grandma Lucy, Auntie Sarah, we got Mama Jolin, or whatever. Mama Jolin's the admin in the chat. I don't mean literally Mama Jolin, but a mother name, whoever. They're all going to be like, oh, well, let's get into this Bitcoin thing. How do we do it? And you guys offer that. And that's what's going to happen, right? Especially with this whole Facebook coin. A lot of newbies are going to come and they're going to want to learn how to do these things. So that is definitely relevant for people who are interested and who will be FOMOing in, like the average Joe, right? So
that's it. It give tool to everyone to be able to learn. I think it's really good for our ecosystem that people that are coming in, you show them a path to follow so that they don't end up into a scam or an ETH giveaway on Twitter and they put their Bitcoin. You know what I mean, right? So you don't want those kind of things to happen. So you try to, if you put them on a platform where it's educate them step by step on how to make a transaction, how to buy, how to sell, how to read a graph, because I really think it's important for people to be able to read a graph, at least have the basic of it, so that they can make their own decision after all. That's the goal of the Academy, right? It's really to help grow the ecosystem. Everybody's going to benefit out of it. And so that's our goal.
No, for sure. Mark, so we're hitting the 40-minute mark, and we're gonna, guys, I'm gonna get to some questions in the live chat, and what I will do is, we're gonna go over together just very briefly the Binance announcement about leverage trading 2.0, so margin trading, so we're gonna just cover that briefly, and then Mark will announce the giveaway, and I do appreciate everyone who has made it this far. You guys are awesome. All right, so let us get to Binance. So if you didn't know by now, guys, early this morning, Binance came out with Binance 2.0 Margin Trading Evolved. This is currently available for anyone who resides outside of America and Canada. As you all know, I am from Canada, so I can't really give you a live look at the platform itself. Me and Mark, we actually tried to access that part of the website and it just totally blocked us out. So what I could do for you guys is probably just read this quick message here. And this is what they say. This is the official Binance memo. So, hello Binanceans. Binance is pleased to announce the launch of its margin trading platform, now available for all eligible users on Binance.com. Margin trading is the latest development in Binance's effort to push the industry forward and toward the freedom of money. And you know what, man? It's about time they came out with this. Like, how long has BitMEX been around for? And Binance finally says, okay, well, let's launch this leverage trading. And we all know people, I think a lot more people want to trade futures opposed to spot market. So that's great for anybody who has a Binance account. Okay, and they go on to say, margin trading allows traders to borrow funds to increase the leverage, providing higher profit potential than traditional trading. However, this also comes with greater risk given the current volatility of the cryptocurrency market. If you are unfamiliar with what margin trading is, you can learn more in this Binance Academy article. Okay, so they tell you how to trade. To learn how to get started with margin trading on Binance, please refer to this guide from Binance Academy. And there's the disclaimer saying that how it's dangerous and you could get wrecked and all that other shit. So if you guys want that link, I will leave that for you in the description box below. And let's check up what people are saying here. And then we'll get to the giveaway announcement. So... yes. From my understanding, ETH is the most unique and genius project, judging from its smart contract and etc. Bitcoin is just the pioneer, and that is all. With all the project hosted on ETH, why low? Nakamba, that's so true. Well, Bitcoin first came out, made it decentralized, peer-to-peer transactions. That was groundbreaking. It still is till this date. Then Ethereum put it up a notch and said, hey, let's make a smart contract, a self-executing agreement where it's trustless system. And that was even that much more groundbreaking, right? So I totally agree with you. If you look at the intrinsic value, Ethereum being the first smart contract, although other projects or other people will argue that how it's outdated, because I think the transaction's only like, 14 per second. We just touched up on Plasma and Casper and all that's going to expedite these transactions. Okay, congrats, bro. Waves right now is $1.55 on coin market cap. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Any other questions here? Please play, what the hell? Somebody's speaking Indian over here. I don't know what that means. Huerta says, I love you. Hey, man, I love all my fellow crypto lifestylers as well. Okay, so I think it's about that time, Marky Mark. What do you say? We give we tell the people what we're going to be giving away. You go first.
Yes. So we're really happy to work with the crypto lifestyle. So we have created only for the people who are following crypto lifestyle a promo code, a discount code, okay, that give you access to the premium service, okay. That will include the silver package. It includes most of our package there on our website. So the promo code, if you, I don't know, Francis, if you can go step by step on the register.
Sure.
And show them where to put that promo code.
Okay, let me just actually shift this on to me here, and I'm going to break this down in a little bit more detail here, guys. So why is this cool? Why is this special? Why is this like, okay, you guys are going to have, okay, first of all, the unique link will be in the comment section and the description box below. Now, why are we using this unique link? So this way, TCCS Academy will know that you guys are part of the crypto lifestyle family and not just some random guy, coming along. That way you are, they could reference that you are from my audience or whatever. You are watching this live stream, okay? Now, doing this will grant you immediate access to the VIP Telegram signal chat for TCCS Academy, where paid members, okay, guys? Paid members are waiting for the next signal. Now, you guys have this for free for 1 month. And why is this important? Not only because you get it for free and other people are paying for this, okay? This is a great way for you guys to really test out their signals, right? Even if you don't like make the trade with real money, you could still monitor them and see if these guys are indeed profitable and making positive trades. And that's the whole point of this, is to, I don't want to bring anybody on this channel trying to sell anybody anything without having some sort of reputation and credibility. And talk is cheap, right? So this way you guys could actually monitor the trades for a month, and hey, if these guys are making money, you guys jump in if that's what you choose. So this is no means charging you anything. You have the same access to the same signals that other people who paid for the same signal service, okay? So how does that sound to you guys? smash like. Okay, if you guys agree with that, smash like. And by the way, Marc, what I just stated is accurate information, right? I mean, this is your giveaway,
Yeah,
and
no,
I don't wanna
that's
I
yeah.
don't wanna put words in your mouth.
No. It's the only difference though. It's not single itself. It's forecast. It's meant for education. So what you guys are
Right.
gonna see, it's for an educational purpose. But you guys gonna have access to the whole thing. And the promo code when you register on our website is the crypto lifestyle. If you can
Right.
show them where to put it, Francis, it would be awesome.
Okay, let me see here if I could get that up on the fly. I gotta log in. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. So pretty much, as I said, use that unique link below once this replay is published. Okay, you click that, you fill in the basic information, your name, and at the bottom it says discount code. Okay, that's the
Yeah, there
promo
we go.
code.
Yeah,
You put in the crypto lifestyle, one word. And that's it.
yeah,
And that's it. And you guys have access to it. And I actually, before, when you used to come onto the program, Marc, I would show your signals, okay, to my audience in my community post. And everybody was like, holy shit, man, these guys are legit. There's a guy, Greenstack, every 2 weeks he asked me, man, why don't you do an update video? These guys are on fire. So for all the new viewers who just subscribers rather, who just came on board to my channel, this is new to them, right? So this is great, and I do appreciate you giving them this for free, Marc. All right, let me see what people
yeah.
are seeing here in the chat. Thank you, man. Done. Awesome. Please play, brother. I am begging you. I don't know what you're referring to, Funky. Do let me know what you're referring to. And he's speaking Indian again. I love everybody, man. This is the beautiful thing about crypto, bro. It's a worldwide phenomena. It's a worldwide
Yeah,
community, you know?
it give access to everyone. Most of the people who have access to internet, it give them access to another. I don't know how to say that in English. To another world, kind of, right? A world that's opening, and opportunity will come down the road for everyone who's interested in learning. A lot of opportunity that's coming out there.
So,
So
Marc,
you have to, yeah,
no, I don't mean to
yeah.
interrupt.
Go ahead.
Sorry. I thought you were finished. Sorry. Yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, so I
Sorry.
wanted to say, so when does this go into effect? When could they get the free signals? And guys, what is the signal service? Signal service, remember, nobody has control of your funds. You have your own funds in your own Binance trading account. All you do is go to Telegram. That's where the signals will be. There is a VIP private chat where you all would have access to for a month. Okay, it's up to you if you want to take the trades. That's what I'm going to be doing because I already know these guys, and I don't want no one to trust me. I want you guys to follow the trades, even if it's mentally or if it's with your money. That's up to you. But if you want to mentally follow them to see if they're making positive trades, do that. So you trust, you see for yourself firsthand instead of just believing me. All right, and that's the best way to do it. And also, Bitcoin is starting to kind of like, get back up there. So trading season, we can make some money. Although I'm not a financial advisor, like I always tell you guys. All right, so let me see what's up here. We got 35 people. Everybody's saying thank you. They're loving it. Perfect. This is perfect. Do my wish. Okay, Funky, I don't know what you're talking about. Hit me up on Telegram. So, Marc, is there anything else you would like to leave the viewers with before we finish here? And will you be joining us back here next week, Marc?
Yeah, yes, of course. I'll try. We will have to meet up with all your guests and stuff. I'd like to thanks everyone for the attention that on the video and stuff like that. Like for us to give this, it's a good opportunity to how I can explain this. I'm looking for some words.
Marc is French Canadian, by the way, guys. If you didn't hear the accent,
you can hear it by my accent.
If you didn't hear the GSP accent, George St. Pierre from UFC.
Yeah, but I don't have the muscle of GSP.
Hey, man, I don't care if you got the muscle, as long as you know how to crunch numbers and make some positive trades. That's all we care about.
So we're all excited to see if when people are gonna join in. Like we want the first goal of TCCS is to help people. Okay, and I hope we're all gonna be able to help you guys, and you guys are gonna have fun with us. It's fun, it's entertaining. We'll try to always be there for our members,
for sure.
This is our goal. So take it, it's free. Join us. We'll have fun.
Yes. Okay. So someone asked, and I could respond to them here. So where is it? What's the regular price? So they do vary. It's we should just touch upon it, the regular price, so they know what people are already paying and what they're getting for free, right?
So right now our VIP services is $150 per month. So you have this for free. So we're giving kind of $150 for free to everyone to enter that discount code. And we have the silver package where we don't give all the strategy, the global strategy, and that package is like $1 per day. So it's $30 per month for that package. And we have the one-on-one course. So the one-on-one course is a different kind of product. So you'll touch base with me for 1 hour. You give me all your information that you're looking, all the question that you want. You give that in that form, and I'll be with you for 1 hour, and we'll look over stuff. We'll talk, and we'll try to teach you the fundamental about cryptos and stuff like that. So that's about it. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. You know what, Mark? Let me see if I could just show them this quickly. So, because it is a couple of steps involved to get to that page, right?
Yep.
So let me just set that up quickly, guys.
And the discount code on top, Francis, right? There's two options. You can put it down or you can put it on top. But
okay, so let me just share my screen here, guys, and you should see. Mark, could you confirm? Is my screen showing your webpage? Mark? Yes, Mark, you're back. Hello, Mark?
Yep.
Okay, I got you. My bad. Yeah, I got you now. Okay, so here we are. We're at the website. You see that, right, Mark?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So from here, guys, what you're going to do is after you click the unique link below, okay, it's going to direct you to this page. Okay, Mark? And from here, we would go to register, which is right up here, guys.
Yeah.
Click. Oh, it's my bad. That was me. No, that was me. I got to refresh it. Error establishing database connection. Hold on, my bad. Let me go like this.
That's the pleasure of doing a live, eh?
Hey man, live stream, that's what you get, bro. I think I used my own link. That's what the issue was there.
Maybe.
And I was logged in. So let's try this again. Register, there we go. Okay guys, so you click register, and then from here
click on the premium package. So you go scroll down, Francis.
Yeah.
Scroll down. Yeah, right there.
Right here. Okay guys, you click this one here, premium package. Okay guys, make sure it's premium package. You click that. And once you click that, it will direct you to this sign up page. Okay, guys?
Here on top, Francis, on top, you click here for the discount code.
Right here. Yeah, right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to click that. Gotcha.
And you put down the crypto lifestyle.
Right? One word. And click apply, I guess.
Yes.
Yep, apply there, boom, boom, boom. And you fill this out, Telegram, and that's it. Submit and check out, guys.
That's it.
All right, and that's it. It should automatically bring you guys to get that free access in the VIP section. Now, lifetime, Mark, let's tell them. And people, look, what people do is, well, from my crypto lifestylers audience, crypto lifestyle family, you guys get the benefits of 1 month for free. But what other people did was, who didn't have that luxury of 1 month for free, they purchased it for 1 month, and they saw the results, they liked it. Then they purchased it for another 1 month, and they liked it, and then they went all in for the lifetime, which is how much for the lifetime, Mark?
You'll have to go back on the website. I have a bad memory for this.
No, it's all good. It's all good.
I think it's
let me see. Premium members, right?
Yeah, 1,500, 1,700.
Yeah, it's roughly over 50. Yeah, it's about So it's 1,500. Yeah. So this is what I'm trying to tell everybody. People are paying this, okay? But you guys have it for free, all right? So that was the giveaway. I hope you guys appreciate it. And I think we're about to wrap things up, Mark. That's all we got, right? I think that's it.
Yeah, that's it for this week, for sure.
Okay, guys, so, my fellow crypto lifestylers, there you have it. You have 1 free month access to the premium signal package where TCCS has been on fire. As I just alluded to, people had paid $1,500 roughly for the lifetime membership, or $150 a month. You guys use that unique link for the Crypto Lifestyle family, and this will be in the description box and the comment section below. So make sure you take full advantage of this while it's there. And I mean, it's for free, so why not, man? I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream and found it valuable and informative. Also, my next live stream interview will take place this Saturday at 1 p.m. New York time, and our guest will be the co-founder of Parjar, a Telegram bot that tips you in crypto. So guess what? Until then, You're on your. Oh shit! I forgot some, Mark. I can't do that.
What?
Hey, Mark. What kind of lifestyle you be living, buddy?
With the crypto lifestyle.
You know what's up. Alright guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Until the next live stream video, you're on your own. Later.